Ladies and gentlemen, we got a 2005 John Deere 1770 narrow transport 16-row planter. Look at there, precision plant row flow, pneumatic down pressure. You got the box of goodies here with it. You got your 2020 sensor in it, monitor, Martintil row cleaning. Ladies and gentlemen, it speaks for itself. A great planter right there, gentlemen. Look at there, red bulb. Everything on it there. Look at there, guys. And how many dollars on to give us in there, guys? It's a 2005. And how many dollars on to give it up on there? Used last year. Used last year, not there, guys. And how many dollars on to give it up on there, guys? And how many dollars on to give it up on? Somebody get $75,000 on it. It's $75,000. I got $30,000 on the internet, Indiana. Thank you, sir. Now $30,000 on now $40,000. Somebody get $40,000 on it. Somebody get 35. Yep, $35,000. Somebody get $35,000. Somebody get 35. Yep, $35,000. Somebody get $5,000 on it. Somebody get $35,000. Somebody get 35. Hit 35,000. 30,000. I got Indiana. Somebody get 35. Yep, 35. Somebody get 32 there. Now buy. Get $35,000 on to get 35. I got 32 on the floor. Get 35,000. Get 35. I got 32 on the floor. Get 35. Get $35,000 on to get $35,000 on to somebody get 33. No forward. Get $34,000. Somebody get 34. Right about it now. Buy. Get $35,000. Somebody get $35,000 on to get $35,000. Somebody get 35. 35. 36,000. Get $36,000 on about it now. $7,000. Somebody get $37,000 on to get 37. Get $37,000 on to get $7,000. Somebody get $37,000 on to get 37. Get $37,000 on about it now. $8,000. Somebody get $38,000 on about it now. 9. Get $39,000. Somebody get $39,000 on to get 39. Get $39,000 on it. Somebody get $39,000. Somebody get 39. Get 39 about it now. 40. Somebody get $40,000 on to get 41 about it now. 1. Somebody get $41,000. Somebody get 41. Get $41,000. Somebody get $41,000 on to get $41,000. Somebody get 41. Get $41,000. Somebody get $41,000 on to get 41,000 now. 2. Get $42,000. Somebody get $2,000 on to get $42,000 on about it now. 3. Get $43,000. Somebody get $43,000 on to get 43. Get $43,000 on it. 42 to bid about it now. 43. Get $43,000. Somebody get $43,000 on it. Somebody get $3,000 on to get 43. Get $43,000. Somebody get $43,000 on it. Somebody get 43. How about 42.5 one time? That help you? Get $42,500. I got 42.5 about it now. 3. Get $43,000. Somebody get 43 about it now. 5. $43,500 on to get 43.5. Get $43,500. Somebody get $500 about it now. Somebody get 43.5. Get $43,500. Somebody get 43.5. Get $43,500 on it. Elkhart, Indiana. What do you think? Somebody get 43.5. Get $43,500. Somebody get 43,500 on it now. 43.5. Now 44. Get $44,000. Somebody get $44,000 on to get 44. Get $44,000 on it now. 5. Somebody get 44.5. 44,000 Elkhart. You're out again. Somebody get 44.5. Get $44,500. Somebody get 44.5. Now 5. $45,000. Somebody get 45. He's out. 45. $45,000 on it. Get $45,000 on it now. 45. Now 5. $45,500. Somebody get $45,500 now. Somebody get 45.5. Get $45,500. Somebody get 45.5. Get $45,500 on to get 45.5. 45 the bid. Now 45.5. Get $45,500. Somebody get $45,500 on to get 45.5. $45,500 on to get 45,500 out of it once. Somebody get 45,500 out of it twice. Y'all done, ladies and gentlemen. Somebody get 45.5. Yes, you know, 45.5. And sold it for $45,000 here on the floor. The bidder number 180 is the buyer. Buy number 180 is the buyer. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I tell you what. Here has got to be one of the nicest grain drills that you can find. Has a lot of upgrades to it. A 2012 1590 20-foot no-till drill. One owner. Look at their 10-inch spacing, and it has the front rack lockup option, which converts it to a 20-inch spacing. 500 acres on the disc blades and boots. Super clean, and I tell you what, you cannot find one equipped with what this one has in hundreds of miles of radius. When you go to Tractor House or anywhere that you try to find one, they're just not out there exactly like this one. Fill auger, row marker, semi-mount, ladies and gentlemen, it speaks for itself. All right, how many guys and how many dollars on to give them on there, guys, and how many dollars on to give them on there? $70,000 on it. $50,000, $50,000 on it. $70,000 on it. $50,000 on it. $50,000 on it. $50,000. I got 23,000 on the internet. I got 23,000. $25,000. $25,000. $25,000. $25,000 on it. $25,000. $25,000. $25,000. 25. No 30. $30,000 on it. $30,000. I got 25 on the floor. Get 30. $30,000. Somebody get $30,000. Somebody get $30,000 on the 25 to be on the down 30. $30,000 on it. $30,000 on the down 5. 35. 40,000. $40,000 on the internet year round. Somebody get $40,000 on it. Get 40,000. $40,000 on it. Somebody get $40,000 on it. Somebody get $40,000 on it. Get 40,000. $40,000 on it. Somebody get $40,000 on it. Somebody get $40,000 on it. Get 40,000. $40,000 on it. Somebody get $40,000 on it. Somebody get 36,000. Not a good day. $36,000. Somebody get $36,000 on it. Get 36,000. 36 on the down 7. $37,000 on the down 8,000. Somebody get 38,000. Internet you round. Somebody get $38,000 on it. Get 38,000. $38,000. Somebody get $38,000 on it. Get 38,000. 38 on the down 9. Somebody get $39,000 on it. Get 39. $39,000. Somebody get $39,000 on it. Somebody get 39. $39,000. Somebody get $39,000 on it. Somebody get $39,000 on it. Somebody get 39. $39,000. Somebody get $39,000 on it. Get 38,500. Get 38,500. Get $38,500. Somebody get $38,500 on it. Get 38,500. I got 38,000 on the internet. Somebody get 38,500. Get $38,500. Somebody get $38,500 on the somebody get 38,500. Get $38,500. Somebody get 38,500. Get $38,500. Somebody get $38,500 on it. Get 38,500. It's a great drill. You guys know it. I got 38,000. 38,500. Get $38,500. Somebody get $38,500 on it. Get $38,500 all through done. Somebody get $38,500 once. Somebody get $38,500 twice. Y'all done 38,500 and sold on the internet for 38,000. Bidder number is 369,889. 369,889 is the buyer. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look at here, guys. Lot number 12. You got a Great Plains 2010 solid stand grain drill, 32 hole, 7.5 inch spacing, 20 foot, liquid fertilizer, 225 gallon tank. Ladies and gentlemen, 16 inch wavy disc row cleaners. All right, how many guys and how many dollars on to give us in here, guys? I tell you what, even got the pallet full of goodies right there, gentlemen. And how many dollars on to give us in here, guys? And how many dollars on to give that one? Somebody get $25,000, $35,000 on it. Somebody get 25. Get $25,000 on it. Somebody get $25,000, $30,000 on it. Somebody got 5,000 on the internet. I got 5,000. Somebody get 75. $5,000 on it down 75. 6,000 I got now 7. Get $7,000. Somebody get $7,000 on it. $6,000 on it down 7. Get $7,000 on it. Get $7,000. Somebody get $7,000. $7,000 on it, $7,000. Getting $7,000 on it, $6,000 on it, down $7,000. Somebody get $7,000. Getting $7,000. Somebody get $7,000 on it, $6,000 on it, down 7. Get $7,000. Somebody get $7,000 on it, get $7,000. Somebody get 65. Getting $6,500 on it, down. Somebody get $6,500 on it, get 65. Getting $6,500 on it, down $7,000. Somebody get $7,000 on it. It's 70. Somebody give 7. I got $6,500 in Arkansas. No boy in your house. Get 7,000. Get $7,000. Somebody get $7,000 on it, $6,500. Down 7,000. Get $7,000. Somebody get $7,000. Somebody get $7,000. Somebody get $7,000. Get $7,000 on it. Somebody get $7,000 down 75. Get $7,500. Somebody get $7,500 down. Somebody get 75. Get $7,500. Somebody get $7,500 down. Arkansas year round. Get 75. Get 7,000 to bid bottom down. Somebody get $7,500. Somebody get 75. Get $7,500 down. $8,000. Somebody get 8,000. Get $8,000. Somebody get $8,000. Napoleon year round now. Get 8,000. Get $8,000. Somebody get $8,000 on it. $7,500 on it down 8,000. Get $8,000. Somebody get $8,000 on it. Get $8,000. Somebody get $8,000. Get $8,000 on it. $7,500 on it down $8,000. Somebody get $8,000. $8,000. Somebody get $8,000 on it. Get $8,000. All done there, boys. Somebody get $8,000. Somebody get $8,000 out of it once. Somebody get $8,000 out of it twice. You all done, ladies and gentlemen. Somebody get $8,000. Last and final call. Somebody get 8,000. Yes, somebody get 8,000. And sold it for $7,500. It's going to Arkansas. Bidder number is 23204. 23204 is the buyer. Ladies and gentlemen, lot number 13. Lot number 13, you got the Killbros right there, guys. Set your pro boxes right on top of it. Your SeedVeyor bulk seed tender. very clean. Holds 2 Pro boxes here, gentlemen. It's like literally like brand new. It speaks for itself. All right, how many guys and how many dollars on to give us in here, guys, and how many dollars on to give it on there, guys, and how many dollars on to give it that one? Somebody get $25,000 on it. Yep, I got 7,000 on the internet. Somebody get 10,000. I got 7,000. Somebody get $10,000 on to get 10,000. Somebody get $10,000 on it. Hit $10,000. Somebody get $10,000 on to get $10,000 on it. Somebody get 10,000. Somebody get $8,000 bid then. Hit $8,000 on it. Somebody get $8,000. Somebody get $8,000. I took it right over there now. 9. You're out. Get 9. Hit $9,000. Somebody get $9,000 on down 10. Somebody get $10,000 on it. 10. Right about now 11. Hit $11,000. Somebody get $11,000 on to get $11,000 on about down 12. Hit $12,000 on about down $13,000. Somebody get $13,000 on about down 14. $14,000 on about down $15,000. Somebody $15,000 on it. $15,000. Somebody $15,000. Somebody $15,000 on to get 14,500. Now 15. $15,000 on about now 5. Somebody get $15,500 on to get 15,500. $15,500 bike you're around. 15,500. $15,500. Somebody get $500 on about now. Somebody get 15,500. $15,500 on to get $15,500 on to get 15,500. $15,500. Somebody get $500 on about now. Somebody get 15,500. $15,500. Somebody get $15,500 on to get 15,500. Yes, somebody $15,500 on to get 15,500. Now 16,000. $16,000 on about now 5. Somebody get $16,500 on to get 16,500. $16,500 somebody get 16,500. Get $16,500 on to get 16,500. Get $16,500 on to get 16,500 somebody get 16,500. 16,500. 16,500, yes or no, might be to get $16,500 on it. 16,500. Now 17,000. Yep, $17,000 on it. Somebody get $17,000 on to get 17,000. Yep, $17,000. Somebody get $17,000 on to get $17,000. Somebody get 17,000. Get 17,000. It's the only one for sale in the world within a 5-mile radius. I got 16,500. 17,000. Give 17,000. Yep, $17,000. Somebody get $17,000. Somebody get $17,000. Yes, you know, gotta go. Somebody get $17,000. Somebody get $17,000 once. Somebody get $17,000 twice. You all done 17,000. Sold it your way, Mike, for $16,500 on the bidder number.
108.
108's the buyer. Buy number 108's the buyer. Ladies and gentlemen, look at here, guys. We got a tender trailer. A tender trailer at 1,010 gallon. Ladies and gentlemen, 250 gallon tote. Honda pump on it. All the plumbing right there goes with it. All the plumbing there goes with it. All right. How many guys and how many dollars on to give us in here, guys? And how many dollars on to give it him on? Each how many guys and how many dollars on about a tender trailer there, guys? And how many dollars on to give us in here, guys? Somebody get $5,000 on it. Get $5,000. Somebody get $5,000 on to get 1,000 on the internet. Somebody get 1,500. Get $1,000 on now. $1,500 on. Somebody get $1,500 on. Somebody get 1,500. And $1,500 on to get 1,000. Here, somebody get $1,500. $1,500 on to get $1,500 on now. $2,000. Somebody get $2,000 on to get 2,000. Yep, $2,000. Somebody get $2,000 on to get $2,000. Somebody get $2,000 on to get 2,000. Now 5. Yep, 25. Jake, your house. Somebody get $2,500 on now. Somebody get $2,500 on now. 3. Yep, $3,000 on it. Somebody get $3,000. Somebody get $3,000 on it. 25. Now 3. Yep, $3,000. Somebody get $3,000 on to get $3,000. Somebody get $3,000 on about now 5. Get $3,500 on it. Somebody get $3,500 on about now. Somebody get 35. Get $3,500 on it. He's out. Get 35. Got 3,000 on the internet. Somebody get 35. Get $3,500 on it. Somebody get $3,500 on about now. Somebody get 35. Get $3,500 on it. 2.5. Now 5. I got $3,250 on the floor. Now 35. Get $3,500. Somebody get $500 on about now. Somebody get $3,500 on it. Get 35. Get $3,500. Somebody get $500 on about now. Somebody get $3,500 on it. 35. Is that a yes? 35. Now 7.5. Get $3,750 on it. Get $3,750. 37.50 on the down power. $4,000 on the down 4,000. Get $4,000 on it. Somebody get $4,000. Somebody $4,000 on it. Get $4,000 on it. Get 38. Get $3,800 on the down 38. 39 on the down $4,000. Somebody get 4,000. Get $4,000 on the down on $4,100. Somebody 41. 4,000. Somebody get $4,100 on the down. Somebody get $100 on it. Get 41. $4,100 on it. Somebody get 41. You got to be 41. $4,100 on it. $4,100. Somebody get $4,100 on the down. Somebody get 41. Get $4,100 on the down. Somebody get $200 on it. Get 4,200. In 4,200 on it. Somebody get $4,200 on the down. Somebody get $200 on it. Get 42.3. In $4,300 on it. Get $4,300. Somebody get 43. In $4,300 on it. Get $4,300 on the down. Somebody get 43. Camel high. Get $4,300 on the down. Power. Somebody get $4,400 on the down. Somebody get $4,400 on the down. 44. Now 5. Get $4,500 on it, somebody get $4,500 on it, get $4,500 on it, get 45. Hit $4,500 on it, get $4,500 down, somebody get 45. Hit $4,500 on it, somebody get $4,500 down, somebody get 45. Hit $4,500 on it, sir, yes or no, somebody get $4,500 on it, get 45. 4,600. Hit $4,600 down, somebody get $4,600 down, 7. Hit $4,700 on it, sir, down $700, somebody get $4,700 down, $4,700 on it, get 47. Hit $4,700 on it, get $4,700 on it, get 4,700. Yes or nobody get $4,700 on it, get $4,700 on it, get $4,700 once. Somebody get $4,700 on it twice. Y'all done $4,700. And sold it here on the floor for $4,600 bid. Bidder number is 159's the buy here. 159's the buy here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we got a Spray-Coupe. And we found something out the other day when we were here at the preview. A gentleman from Indiana. You can see it's running. The tachometer part works. The tachometer registering the RPM works. However, the mechanicalism in that tach to turn the hour meter over, it's not rolling the hour meter. So the exact hours on it, we'll have to say, are unknown. The tach is working, but the hour meter is not rolling over. All right, in full disclosure.
What lot is it?
It's the, it's here, 15. All right, how many guys and how many dollars and how many Spray-Coupe there, guys, and how many dollars on to give them on there, guys, and it's a 2009. Ladies and gentlemen, you got your Raven control, guidance foam markers, hydraulic boat, right there, guys, a great machine. You even got a pile of little extra goodies and that they found with it here the other day. All right, how many guys and how many dollars on to give us in here, guys, and how many dollars on to give them on there? Somebody get $50,000 on it, somebody get $50,000, get $50,000, somebody get $50,000 on to get $50,000 on it, somebody get $50,000. I got 23,000 in Kansas. I got 23,000 in Kansas. Somebody get 25. Hit $25,000. Somebody 25. Down 30. Down 30,000. Hit 30,000. 26. Down 7. Gotta be 27. Down $28,000. Somebody get 28. 27 on the floor. Get 28,000. Hit $28,000. Somebody get $28,000. Somebody $28,000. Somebody get 28,000. Hit $28,000. Somebody get $28,000. Somebody get 27. 28. Hit 20. Got 28, Mike. 28. Now 9. Hit somebody get $29,000. Somebody get 29. Run about down 30. 30, run about the down pawn. Somebody get 31, run about the down 2, $32,000, run about the down 3, $33,000, trying to get 33. Hit $33,000, somebody get $33,000, trying to get 33. Hit $33,000, 32 to be run about the down 3. Hit $33,000, somebody get $33,000, trying to get $33,000, somebody get 33. Hit $33,000, somebody get $33,000, somebody get 32,500. Hit $32,500, somebody get 32,500. Hit 32,500. See how he has somebody get 32,500, 32,500, down 33. Hit $33,000, run about the down 5, 33,500. Hit $33,500, on to get 33,500. Hit $33,500 on to get 33,500. 33,500, 34. Hit $34,000 on the down 5. Somebody get 34,500. Hit $34,500. Somebody get 34,500 down 5. Hit $35,000 on the down 5. 35,500. Hit $35,500 on to get 35,500. Hit $35,500 on the down 36,000. Somebody get 36 on the down 5. Hit $36,500 on to get 36,500. Hit $36,500 on to get 36,500. Hit $36,500. Somebody get 36,500 on to get 36,500. Hitting $36,500 on to get 36,500. Hitting 36,500 down $37,000. Hitting 37 on the down 5. Hitting $37,500. Somebody get 37,500. Hitting $37,500. Somebody get 37,500. Hitting $37,500 on to get 37,500 on to get 37,500. Hitting $37,500 on to get 37,500 on the down. Somebody get 37,500. 37,500. 37,500. All done, ladies and gentlemen. Get 37,500. What? Somebody get 37,500 twice. You all done. 37,500. Sold it here on the floor for 37,000. Bidder number is 181 to buy here. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a Krause 8000. Ladies and gentlemen, here's a nice Accelerator vertical till. 20 foot. You never find them in that width. Hard to come by in that width. Very clean. 20 foot, ladies and gentlemen, walking tandems. All right, how many guys and how many dollars on to give us in here, guys, and how many dollars on to give them on there, guys, and how many dollars on to give us in here? Somebody get $35,000 on it. Get $45,000. Somebody get 45. Got 15,000 in Wisconsin. Somebody get 20,000. $15,000 on the down. $20,000. Somebody get $20,000 on it. 15, but down 20. Get 20,000. Somebody get $20,000 on it. Somebody get $20,000 on it. Get 75. Get 75. Down 20. Down $20,000. Somebody get $20,000. I got 75 on the floor. Internet year out. Get 20,000. Get $20,000. Somebody get 20. Internet year out. I got 17,500 on the floor. Get 20,000. Get $20,000. Somebody get $20,000 on it. How much?
18,500.
18,500, 19,000, 19, down 20. Hit $20,000 on it, get 19, somebody get 20. Hit $20,000, somebody get $20,000 on it, get $20,000 on the down 1. Somebody get 21, down 2. Hit $22,000 on it, 22 to 3. Somebody get 23, what about the down 4? Hit 24, what about the down 5? 25, what about the down 26, what about the down 7? There down 28, what about the down 5? 29, 30,000, 31, 31, what about the down 2? $32,000, what about the down 3? 34. Hit $34,000 on it, get $34,000 on it, get 34. Hit $34,000, somebody get $34,000 on it, get 34. Hit $34,000, somebody get $34,000 on it, get 34,000. Hit $34,000 on it, somebody get $34,000 on it. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen, somebody get 34,000. Hit 34, now 5. $35,000 down 36,000. Hit $36,000, somebody get $36,000 on it, get 36. Hit $36,000, somebody get $36,000 on it, get 36,000. Hit $36,000, somebody get $36,000 on it, get $36,000 on it, somebody get $36,000 once. Somebody get $36,000 twice. Y'all done 36,000. Sold it here in the 4 for $35,000. Bidder number is 33 is the buyer. Buy number 33 is the buyer. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look at here, lot number 21 there, guys, and how many dollars out of the Flail mower? All right, how many guys, and how many dollars out of the Flail mower there, gentlemen? How many dollars on to give them one each? How many guys, and how many dollars on to give them one there? Somebody get $10,000 on it, somebody get 5. Hit $5,000, somebody get $5,000 on it, somebody get $5,000 on it, somebody get $5,000, somebody get 1,000. Hit $1,000, somebody get $1,000 on it, somebody get $1,000, somebody get $1,000 on it, get $500 plan. Hit $500 on it, somebody get $500 on it, get $500 down, somebody get 5. Hit $500, somebody get $500 down, somebody get $500 on it, get 5. Hey, what's wrong with that Flail mower? Somebody get $500. Hit $500, somebody get $500 down, somebody get 200 again, now 3. Hitting $300 on it, $300, somebody get $300 down, somebody get 300. Hitting 500 again, 600. Hitting $600, somebody get $600 down, somebody get $600 on it, $600, somebody get 600. Hitting $500 down, $600, somebody get $600 down, somebody get $600 on it, get 600. Hitting $500 down, $600 on it, $600, somebody get $600 down, somebody get 600. Hitting $600 on it, get $600 down, somebody get $600 on it, get $600 down, 600. Now 7. Hitting $700 on it, get $700 here, down $700 down, somebody get $700 on it, get $700 down, $700 on it, get $700 there, now 7. Yes and no there, now 7. $700 on it, get 7. Sold it for $600 on there. What's your today? Buy number 179 is the buyer. Buyer 179 is the buyer. All right, ladies and gentlemen, lot number 22. You got a 2011 John Deere 2100. Look at there, guys. All right, how many guys and how many dollars out of a ripper? You tell me, guys, and how many dollars out of a pie shake there, guys? It's like brand new. Look at there, guys. All right, how many guys and how many dollars on to give us in here? Somebody get $10,000 on it. Somebody get $10,000. I got 5,000 on the internet. Somebody get 6,000. In $5,000 on the down, $6,000. Somebody 6 on the down 7. In $7,000 on it. Somebody get $7,000. Somebody get 7 on the down. $8,000 on to get 8,000. $8,000 on the down 9. Somebody get $9,000 on to get. I got 8 on the floor. Internet, you have. Get 9. Give 9. I got 8 on the floor. Give $9,000. $9,000 on to get 9,000. If $9,000 on the down, $10,000. Somebody get $10,000. Somebody get $10,000 on to get 10. On the down 11. If $11,000. Somebody get $11,000 on to get $11,000. Somebody get 11,000. If $11,000. Somebody get $11,000 on it. Somebody get $11,000 on to get 10. If $10,500. Somebody get $10,500 on the down, $11,000 on it. If $11,000 on the down, somebody get $11,500 on the down, $11,500 on the down, $12,000. If $12,000 on the down 5. It's 12,500. It's 12,500 dollars. Somebody get 12,500 dollars down. Somebody get 12,500. It's 12,500 dollars. Somebody get 500 dollars down. Somebody get 12,500. 13,000. $13,000. Somebody get $13,000. Somebody get 13,000. And $13,000 on it. 12,500. Somebody down. $13,000 on it. Somebody get 13,000. $13,000. Somebody get $13,000. Somebody get $13,000 on it. Somebody get 13,000. $13,000. Somebody get $13,000 on it. Somebody get $13,000 down 5. $13,500. Somebody get $500 down. Somebody get 13,500. $13,500. Somebody get $500 down. Somebody get 13,500. $13,500. Somebody get $500 down. Somebody get $13,500 down. 13,500. Yes or no? Somebody get $13,500. Somebody get 13,500. 13,500. 14,000. $14,000. Somebody get $14,000 down. 5. 14,500. 14.5. 14.5. How many games we got to play? Get 14.5. $14,500 on the 14.5. $15,000. $15,000. $15,000 on to get $15,000 down by 15.5. Now it's back to you. 15.5. It's ping pong. Gotta go. Somebody get 15.5. $15,500 on to get $15,500 down. Somebody get 15.5. Yes, somebody 15.5. Sold it for $15,000 over here. What's your number today? Buy number 110's the buyer. Buy number 110's the buyer. Now we're just going to pull the truck up here, guys, and turn it around here real quick. Another 350 gravity wagon. All right, how many guys and how many dollars on to give us in there, guys, and how many dollars on to give them on there, guys? Somebody get $2,000. Somebody get $2,000 on it. Somebody get $2,000 on it. Somebody get $2,000. Somebody get $1,000. Somebody give $1,000, somebody get $1,000, somebody get $1,000, somebody get $1,000, somebody get $500 where? Get $500, somebody get $500 somebody get $500 $600 on it. I got 5 on the internet. Somebody get 600. And $500 now. $600. Somebody get $600 now. Somebody get 600. And $500 now. $600. Somebody get $600 now. Somebody get $600. Somebody get $600 now. 7. And $700. Somebody get $700 now. $700. Somebody get $700 now. Somebody get 700. And $700 now. $800. How to get 800. Napoleon your house. Get 800. $800. Somebody get $800 now. Somebody get $800. How to get $800 down. 9. $900. Somebody get $900 now. Somebody get $900. Somebody get $900. $900 on it, $829 here, down 1,000. Somebody get 1,000. Somebody get $1,000. Somebody get $1,000. Somebody get 1,000. Hit $1,000. Somebody get $1,000. Somebody get $1,000. Somebody get $1,000. Somebody get 1,000. Napoleon your house, get 1,000. Hit $1,000. Somebody get $1,000 on it, $900 now. $1,000. Somebody get $1,000 now, one. Yes, somebody get $1,000. Somebody get $1,000 now, one. And sold it here on the internet for $900. Bidder number is 124. 622 124 622 the buyer. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look at there, guys. Lot number 24 there, guys. And how many dollars on the Killbros here? $375. And how many dollars on to give us in here, guys? And how many dollars on to give that one? Somebody get $2,000. Somebody get $2,000. And $2,000. Somebody get $2,000 on it. Somebody get $2,000 on it. Somebody get $1,000. $1,000. Somebody get $1,000. Somebody get $1,000. Somebody get $1,000. Somebody get $500. Get $500. Somebody get $500. I got $1,000 on the internet. Somebody get $1,100. And $1,000. Somebody get $1,100 down. $1,200. Somebody get $1,200. I got 11 on the floor. Internet, you have. Gotta be 12. Get $1,200. How to get $1,200 down? Somebody get $1,200 down. $1,300. $1,300. How to get $1,300 down? 13 to bid. $1,400. $1,400. How to get $1,400. Somebody get $1,400 down. Somebody get $1,400. $1,400. How to get $1,400 down. Somebody get $1,400 down. 14 there. $1,500. $1,500. How to get $1,500. Somebody get $1,500 down. Somebody get $1,500. $1,500 down. $1,600. Somebody get $1,600. How to get 16 there. You got 16. 16. $1,700. $1,700. How to get $1,700. Somebody get $1,700. How to get $1,700. $1,700. How to get $1,700. Somebody get $1,700. How to get $1,700. $1,700. How to get $1,700. How to get $1,700. Somebody get $1,700. Yes, you know, had to go with $1,700. How to get $1,700. And sold it your way for $1,600 over there. What's your today bidder number?
110.
110's the buyer. Buy number 110's the buyer. Ladies and gentlemen, now lot number 25 there. Gentlemen, how many dollars on to give this one? How many guys and how many dollars on the gravity wagon? How many guys and how many dollars on to give this in here? Somebody get $1,000. Give $1,000. Get $1,000. Somebody get $1,000 now. Somebody get $1,000. Somebody get $500. Then $500. Somebody get $500 now. Somebody get $500. Somebody get $500 now. Somebody get $500. Get $2. Then $200 on it. $200 down. 3. Somebody get $300 on it. Get $300 down. 3. Then $300 on it. $200 down. $300. Somebody get $300 down. 4. Then $400. Somebody get 4 there now. 5. Get $500. Somebody get 5. Get $500 on to get $500 now. Somebody get $500 on to get 4.5. Get $450. Somebody get $450 on to get here now. Somebody get $450 on to get 4.5. $450 on to get $450. Somebody get $450 on to get 4.5. Somebody get $450 all through. Somebody get 4.5. Yes, somebody $450 on to get $450 on to get 4.5. Yes, you know, 4.5. And sold it for $400 out of there. Bidder number 61's the buyer. Buy number 61's the buyer. Ladies and gentlemen, look at there, guys, on lot number 26. Here's a different story. You got a John Deere Giga 100. And how many dollars on to give us in there? Somebody get $1,000. Somebody get $1,000. Somebody get $1,000. Somebody get $1,000. Get 5. Get $500. Somebody get $500. Somebody get $500. Somebody get $500 down. 5. Get $500. Somebody get $500 down. Somebody get 5 there. 600. Getting $500 down. $600. Somebody get $600 on the 5. Down 600. Getting $600. Somebody get $600 down. Somebody get $600 on the 5. to be run down 600. In $600, you get $600 on a pie to be run down $600 on to get $5.5. In $500 on to get $5.5. $500 on to get $5.5. In $500 you get $500 on to get $5.5. $500 you get $500 on to get $5.5. Now $600 on to get $600 on to get $600. In $600 on it's $575. $600. In $600 on the internet you're out. $600 you got $575. $600 on to get $600. In $600 on the $600 on to get $600 $600 on to get $600. Sold it on the floor for $575. Right over there, what's your ladies and gentlemen? Number 28 there, gentlemen. You got a wheat right. And how many dollars on the 38 there, guys? A 38 footer. How many dollars on to give it one there, guys? 30 footer. All right, how many guys and how many dollars on to give it this one there, guys? And how many dollars on to give it one there? Somebody get $3,000-$4,000 on it. Get $3,000. Somebody get $3,000. Somebody get $3,000. Somebody get $3,000 on it. Somebody get $1,000. Get $1,000. Somebody get $1,000 on it. Get $1,000. I got $1,500. In $1,000 on now $1,500 now. Somebody get $1,500 now. Somebody get $1,500. In $1,000 on now $1,500 on it. Get $1,100 of that. Get $1,100 on it. $1,100. Somebody get $1,100 now. Somebody get $1,100. In $1,000 on now $1,100. Somebody get $1,100 on it. Get $1,100 now. $1,100. $1,100 on it. Get $1,100 now. Somebody get $1,100 on it. Get $1,100 now. $1,100 on it. $1,100 now. $1,100. Yes or no? $1,100. And sold it for $1,000 here on the internet. Bidder number is 210600. 210600. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look at here, guys. I tell you what, lot number 29. Right over here, guys, and how many dollars on the liquid fertilizer applicator? All right, how many guys, and how many dollars on to give it up one there, guys, and how many dollars on to give it up one there, guys? Somebody get $5,000 on it, somebody get $3. Get $3,000, somebody get $3,000 on to get $3,000, somebody get $3,000 on to get $1,000. Get $1,000, somebody get $1,000 on to get $1,000, somebody get $1,000 on to get $500 on it then. Get $500, somebody get $500 on it now, somebody get $500 on to get $5. Get $500, somebody get $500 on it, $500. How much?
100.
Oh my God, we're not renting it, we are selling it. You know that. 100 I got. Now take it. Somebody get $200 on to get $200 now. Somebody get $2. Yeah, $200 on to get $200 now. Somebody get $200 down $3. $300 on to get $300 down $4. Yeah, $400 down $500 on to get $500 down $5 here. $600. In $600 bits are now. $600 on now. $700 on to get $700. In $700 on to get $700 now. Somebody get $700. In $700 on to get $700 now. $700 on to get $700 now. Somebody get $700. In $700 on to get $700 down, $700 on to get $700 down, $700. Yes or no? $700 on to get $700 down, $700 on the beer down 7. And sold it your way, Jake. $600 on the beer, bidder number 36 to buyer, bottom of 36 to buy here. Ladies and gentlemen, lot number 30 there, guys, and how many dollars on the broadcast spreader? And how many dollars on to give it us one there, guys, and how many dollars on to give it one there, guys, and how many dollars on to give it one there? Somebody get $1,000 on it. Give $1,000, somebody get $1,000 now. Somebody get $1,000, somebody get $1,000 on to get $500 of it where? Get $500 on it down, $500 I got. $600 on to get $600 on it down. Gotta be $600 there now, 7. Get $700 on it down, 8 9. Get $900 on it down, $1,000 on it, $1,000 on it down, $1,100 on it down, 11. Give $1,100 on to get $1,100. I got 1,000 there, $1,100. $1,100 on it down, $1,100. You get $1,100 on it down, $1,100 on to get $1,100. $1,100 on to get $1,100 on it down, $1,100 on to get $1,100 on it. Y'all through it. I'm gonna get $1,100 on to get $100 on it once. Y'all done $1,100 on it twice. Sold up 106 to buy here. Bottom number 106 to buy here. Ladies and gentlemen, lot number 31. You got a John Deere hay wagon. On the hay wagon, John Deere gear. How many dollars on to give it us in there, guys? And how many dollars on to give it them one? And somebody get $2,000. Somebody get $2,000 on it. Somebody get $1,000. Give $1,000, you get $1,000 on to get $1,000, you get $1,000 on to get $500. Getting $500, you get $500 down. Somebody get $500 on to get $500 down. Somebody get $5. Get $500 on to get $500 down. Somebody get $3 4. Get $300 on down. $400 on to get $400 down. Buy. Get $500 on to do down. Buy. Get $500 on to get $500 down. Somebody get $500 on to get $5. Get 4.5 down. Buy. Get $500 on to get $500 down. Buy. Get $500 on down. Buy. But get $500 on to get $500. Get $500 you get $5.5, but get $5.5, but get $500 on to get $500 on to get $5.5. Get $500 you get $500 on now, $600 bid it. Get $600 on it now, $600 on now, half. Get $600 you get $600 on to get 6.5. Get $600 on it, $600 you get $600 on to get 6.5. Get $600 you get $600 on to get $600 on the there now, 6.5 on now, 7. Get Hit 7. Hit $700 bid here now. $700. Give me $700 on the now half. In $750 on it. $750 on the now. $750 on it. $750. In $750 on it. $750. Give me $750. Give me $750 all to it. $750. $750. And sold it for $700 over there. Buyer number 130. One's the buyer. Buyer number 130. One's the buyer. Ladies and gentlemen, line number 32. Ladies and gentlemen, how many dollars on a 400-gallon tender? Tender trailer. How many dollars on to give this one there, guys? And how many dollars on to give them one there, guys? And how many dollars on to give them one? Somebody get $1,000. Hit $1,000. Somebody get $1,000. Somebody get $500. On to get $500. Hit $500. On to get $500. Somebody get $500. On to get $500. Somebody get $500. Give $100. Hit $100. On to get $100. Somebody get $100. $100 on to get $100 down one. Give $100 on to give $100. Somebody get $100 somebody get $50 bid then. Hit $50. Somebody get $50 down. Somebody get $50. Somebody get $50 down. Somebody get $50 on the 20 there. Now 50. In $20 on the now $50. Somebody get $50 down. Somebody get $50. Got 20 there. 50 there. Now 70. Hit $70. $70 on it. $50 on the now 60. In $60. $60 on the now 60. Give $60 on the trailer. In $60 on it, $50 on it now, $60, $70, $60 on it, $50 on it now, $60, $70, $60 on it there now, 60. Yes, and everybody is 60. And sold it for $50 bid right over there. Buy number 115 is the buyer. Buy number 115 is the buyer. Ladies and gentlemen, lot number 34. You got a field cultivator. Or lot number 33. Sorry. 33, the pallet of bin flooring. Right there, guys. And how many dollars on to give it a bin flooring? Right there, guys. And how many dollars on to give it us in there, guys? And how many dollars on to give it them one there, guys? Somebody get $1,000. Hit $1,000. Somebody get $1,000 on it. Somebody get $1,000 on it. Somebody get $500. In $500. Somebody get $500 on it now. Somebody get $500 on it. Get $500 on it now. Somebody get $5. Get $2. In $200. Somebody get $200 on it now. Somebody get $200. Somebody get $200 on it now too. In $200 on it. $200. Somebody get $1. Somebody give $100. In $100, somebody give $100 on it now. $100, somebody give $100 on it now. $100 on it, give $100 on it, give $50. In $50, somebody give $50 on it now. Somebody give $50 on it, give $50 on the flooring. How much? 10 I got. Now 20. In $10 on it now. 20, 25, 35. Hit $35 on it, get $35. Somebody get $35. Hit $35 on it. $25 on it now. $35. Somebody get $35 on it now. 45. Hit $45. Somebody get $45 on it now. $55. Somebody get $55 on it. 55. $55. Somebody get $55 on it. Get $55 on it now. Somebody get $55, somebody get $55 on the now, somebody get $55, $55, somebody get $55, somebody get $55, and sold it on the internet for $45. The big bidder number is 234305. 234305 is the buyer. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look at there, guys, and we're on 34. Look at there, guys, and how many dollars on to give us in there, guys, and how many dollars on to give us in there? Somebody get $1,000 on it, somebody get $500. In $500, somebody get $500 on it now, somebody get $500 on to get $500 on it now, somebody get $5. In $500, somebody get $500 on it now, somebody get $5, give $100. Give $100 on it, give $100, somebody get $100 on it now, $100 on it down too. Somebody get $200 on the there down too. In $200, somebody get $200 on it now, somebody get $2. I got $100 there now too. In $200 on it now, $200, somebody get $1.5. $150 on to get $150, give it $150 on to get $150 here. Now have it $150 on to get $150. Yes, and I'm going to get $150 on to get $150 on to get $150. And sold it for $100 bid right over there. Buy number 53 is the buyer. Buy number 53 is the buyer. Now, ladies and gentlemen, lot number 35, they got a John Deere transport disc. And how many dollars on to give us in here, guys? And how many dollars on to give us in here? Somebody get $1,000. Get $1,000. Somebody get $1,000 on to get $1,000. Somebody get $500. In $500. Somebody get $500 somebody get $500. Somebody get $500 on the good one. Get $100. Somebody get $100 on the now half. And $100 on the now half. Get $100 on to get $150. Somebody get $100. Get $150 on to get $150. I got $100 there now half. Get $150 on it now. $150. Somebody get $150 on to get $150 on to get $150 there now half. Get $150 on to get $150. $150. And sold it for $100 bid share. Right over there. Buy number 57 to buyer. Buy number 57 to buy here. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, now lot number 36 there, guys. You got the on the Brillion Cultipacker right there, guys. And how many dollars on to give us in there, guys? Somebody get $2,000 on to get $1,000. Somebody get $500. In $500. Somebody get $500 on now. Somebody get $500 on to get $500 on now. Somebody get $5. Get one. Get $100 on. I took it there now to you. Get 200. You got 100 right there now. $200 on now. 3. Get $300 on bid share. Down $300 on to get $300 on now. Somebody get 3. I got 2 and a 4. 2 and a half. Now 3. In $300 there now half. $350 on to get $350 on to get 3 and a half. In $300. I got $300 on the floor. Internet, you got your house. Got to be 3 and a half. Get $350. Get $350 on it. Internet, you're out. I got 300 on the floor. You gotta be 3.5. Get 350. Get $350 on it. Get $350 on it. Get 350. Internet, you're out. 3.5. I got 300 on the floor. Get 3.5. Get 3.5. Get 3.5. Internet, you're out. I got cheese open. Get 3.5. Get $350 on it. Get $350 on it. Get 3.5. Sold it on the floor for 300. Bidder number
151.
151. I had the floor in at 300. Now, ladies and gentlemen, lot number 37 on the rotary cutter right there, guys. And how many dollars on to give us in there, guys? Somebody get $500 on to get $500 on down. Somebody get $500. Get $500. Somebody get $500 on down. Somebody get $500 on to get $100 to start it on. And $100 on down too. Somebody get $200. Somebody get $200 on down too. 2.5. 300 and $300 on down half. $350 on to get $350 on to get 3.5. Get $350. Somebody get $350 on to get 3.5. Get $350 on it. I got 3 out there. I got 3 way out there. 3.5. 400. Down $400 on it. Jamie, get $400 on it down for it. Get $400 on it. Get $400 on it down. Somebody get $400 on it. Get $400 on it down for it. Get $400 on it. Get $400. Somebody get $400 on it down. Somebody get $400 on it. Get $400 on it down for it. Yes, and everybody get 400 and sold it here on the internet for $350 bid. Bidder number is 433185. 433185 is the buyer. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you got the trailer on the Trail Rite. Right there, guys, and those sideboards here go with it. They can haul sheep with it. And they can haul sheep with it. They did it last year at the fair. Very expensive when you got to go buy them new. All right, guys, and how many dollars on to give us in here, guys? And how many dollars on to give that one there? Somebody get $2,000. Get $2,000. Somebody get $2,000 on it. 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 Somebody get $1,000. Get $1,000 on it. Give $1,000 on it. 500 a guy. Give $700. $500 on it. Now $750 on it. Get $750 on it. Get $750 on it. Get $600 there. Now 7. Get $700 now. $800 on it. Give $800 on it. He's got to be heat. Give $800 on it. Give $800 on it. Now $900 on it. Now $1,000. Get $1,000. Somebody get $1,000. He's out. Get $1,000 on it. Get $1,000. $1,000. Somebody get $1,000 on it. Get $1,900 on it. Now $900. Get $1,000. Get $1,000. I got now $1,050. He's out again. $1,050. Give $1,050. Somebody $1,050. $1,100 on it. Now half. $1,150 on it. Get $1,150 on it. Get $1,150 on it. Get $1,150 here. Now have it. Get $1,150 on it. Get $1,150. $1,150 on it. $1,150. Somebody get $1,150 on it. Get $1,150 on it. Get $1,150. Yes, everybody get $1,150. $11.50. And now 12, 1,200, 12 and a half, 12.50. Now $1,250 on to get 12. He's out. 12 and a half. If $1,250 on to get $1,250 on to get 12 and a half. If $1,250 on to get $1,250, somebody get 12 and a half. If $1,250, somebody get $1,250 all through done. Somebody get 12 and a half. If $1,250 on to get $1,250 on to get $1,250 on to get 12 and a half. $1,250 on to get 12 and a half. Sold it for $1,200 there. Bidder number 210's the buyer. Lot 39 is the Steinlite SL95 moisture meter there, guys. It works. They took it right out of the building right over here by the grain bins. The very, very expensive moisture meter to buy it new. It's very expensive to buy it new. And if one of you want to hook up that jump start there and start the forklift, why we sell the moisture meter right there. Lot number 39 is inside. There's 3 items inside. Yep. Then we go back. Yep. Lot number 39 is a Steinlite moisture meter there, ladies and gentlemen. Very expensive to buy and new. All right. How many dollars on it? Lot number 39, the moisture meter. I have to sell it from in here, so you guys got to help me out with the bids if you're bidding inside. All right. Somebody get $2,000 on it. Somebody get $2,000. Somebody get $2,000 on it. Somebody get $1,000. Get $500. Get $500. Somebody get $500. $500. $600. Get $600. Somebody get $600 on it. $500. 39 the moisture meter. I got $500 on the internet. Get $600. Get $600 on it. $700 on it. $700 on it. $700. Get $700. Somebody get $700 on it. $700 on it. $700. Get $700 on it. Got $600 here now. $700. Get $700. Somebody get $700 on it. $700. Yes, 421-030. 421-030. Brad, you just want to put it right inside the cash of your office so we don't lose it.
Take it,
Now,
put it
ladies and
inside.
gentlemen, you got lot number 40. Lot number 40 is your SeedVeyor 2020 module inverter.
Put it in the cashier.
All right.
Gen 2. Gen 2. It's a Gen 2. Generation 2.
It's a Generation 2.
Generation 2. Generation 2. Somebody get behind me. Get behind Now we have the Clark Forklift in his cast, Tuesday, 60, 48 inch. Ladies and gentlemen, she's a runner. We got the jump pack right there. It fires up and runs. Is it running now?
No, they had it wrong.
Oh, they just had it run. All right. Somebody get 500. There she's running. Somebody get 500. Somebody get 500. 4. 4 is the line.